Hi everyone, I'm Patricia Maestro. I am your counselor for the Counseling One Introduction College course. I want to welcome you and thank you for electing to participate in this class. I am a first generation college student that 25 some years ago I took advantage of a similar class, and I really believe that it was the foundation for my success today and my continued success as I've continued to be a counselor here at Mount SAC for over 21 years. And I want to impart to you that same knowledge, that same information that helped me in figuring out what I wanted to do and make sure that I did it right from the start. And so with that said, our very first week conversation we're going to have is about what is higher education. When you start college, there's so many opportunities to take advantage of. And so we are going to be looking at the pyramid of higher education. When someone says, well, what are you going to do after high school? And you say, I'm going to go to college. And what does that mean? What are the various levels of education you can receive at a college? And how's Mount SAC going to provide those opportunities? It's going to be a fun week. I assure you that it will establish our process for the 6 weeks that we're together, but it will be something that is not going to take a lot of time and energy. It's going to be just fun learning, and that's what I want you to know, that it's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of great learning, and an opportunity for us to really get together and engage and talk and discuss and partner in your success. So I look forward to our discussions and have a great week.